Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to check hidden startup programs in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Many applications automatically start when Windows boots. Some of them are visible in a startup list, but others run in the background and remain hidden. These hidden startup programs can slow down your computer and increase boot time. So it is a good idea to check them occasionally. So let's get started. First one method is through task manager. For that, right click on the free space on the taskbar, then select task manager option. Here switch to the startup tab. Here you will see the list of programs that start automatically when your computer boots. However, some startup programs may not appear here. To find additional hidden startup entries, we can use another method. So you need to press Windows plus R key on the keyboard, then type here cell colon a startup and then click on the OK button. This will open the startup folder. Any programs or shortcut placed in this folder will automatically start when you log into your Windows. If you want to remove a program from a startup, simply delete the shortcut from this folder. There is also another startup folder used for all users. Again, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. Here type cell colon common space a startup and press enter or click on the OK button. This folder contains programs that start automatically for every user account on the computer. If you found unwanted applications here, you can remove their shortcuts to stop them from launching during a startup. Checking these locations helps your identify hidden startup programs that might slow down your system. That's it. I hope this guide helped you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.